Welcome to Car Garage, where power meets precision, and every ride tells a story of speed, innovation, and bold design. The 2025 Dodge Super Bee roars back into the spotlight as an unapologetic muscle car built for thrill seekers and performance enthusiasts. With its aggressive stance, wide-body design, and bold Super Bee badging, this car commands attention both on the street and at the track. Under the hood, the 2025 Super Bee features a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 807 horsepower and 717 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts and optimal power delivery in every driving situation. Acceleration is breathtaking, with the Super Bee rocketing from 0 to 60 in just about 3.4 seconds. The top speed exceeds 200 mph, making it one of the fastest production sedans in the world. Dodge has equipped the Super Bee with SRT-tuned adaptive suspension and Bilstein 3-mode dampers, which adjust on the fly to road conditions or driver preference. Whether you're on the highway or a closed course, this machine delivers a remarkably composed yet thrilling ride. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to the massive Brembo 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers, paired with high-performance rotors. These brakes provide exceptional stopping power with fade resistance even under extreme conditions. To enhance the driving experience, Dodge includes launch control and line lock features for controlled takeoffs and burnouts. A performance-tuned, limited-slip rear differential keeps the Super Bee stable under hard acceleration, especially during corner exits or drag launches. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Dodge Super Bee blends old-school muscle with modern technology. The cockpit features performance front seats with thick bolsters and suede inserts, offering maximum grip during high-speed cornering. A leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters and red accent stitching adds a sporty touch. The 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance metrics, while the 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and voice control. Sound quality is top-tier thanks to an optional Harman Kardon premium audio system with 19 speakers for immersive in-car entertainment. Dodge also incorporates advanced driver assistance features to balance power with peace of mind. These include blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. While it remains a raw performance car, the inclusion of safety tech makes the Super Bee more practical for daily use or longer road trips. The car also includes multiple driving modes like Track Sport Auto and Custom, allowing the driver to tailor throttle, steering, suspension, and transmission response to their liking. Visually, the 2025 Super Bee embraces its heritage with retro-inspired graphics, unique badges, and exclusive color options like Plum Crazy, Go Mango, and F8 Green. The aggressive front fascia features a functional air intake, while the rear includes a bold spoiler and wide dual exhaust tips that emit a throaty growl. Lightweight 20-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires complete the performance look, while reducing unsprung mass for better handling. The 2025 Super Bee is available in limited numbers as part of Dodge's special edition performance lineup, continuing the legacy of high-powered American sedans. With its mix of raw muscle, cutting-edge tech, and nostalgic design, it appeals to collectors and modern muscle car lovers alike. Whether tearing up the drag strip or cruising the highway, this car delivers an unforgettable driving experience that is uniquely Dodge. If you love muscle cars and high-performance machines, like the 2025 Dodge Super Bee, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling reviews and updates right here on Car Garage.